Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Johor Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam. Let's start. Question number 1. Weight of tomato comprises 90% of water. Weight of water in 25 kilogram of tomato is. First we convert percentage into fraction. So one number 90%, that is equal to 90 by 100, that's mean 9 by 10. So 1 kg of comprises of 9 by 10 kilogram water. 25 kilogram of tomato comprises of 9 by 10 into 25 kilogram of water, that is 225 by 10, 2.5 kg. So B is the right answer. Coming to the next questions. Question number 2. Question 10 lakh is obtained when a number is subtracted from the sum of this number and this. Find the number. First we calculate the sum of these two numbers. After that we subtract this number from that sum. So let's start. First we calculate question number 2. 8 9 3 6 4 5 6 3 5 4 8 9. So D is the right answer. Coming to the next questions. Question number 3. For a shirt, cloth required must be 2 meter 75 centimeter. Then how much cloth would be taken to have such 6 shirts? First we write 2 meter 75 centimeter like this, 2.75 meter. After that we multiply this number by 6. We get 16.50 meter, that is 16 meter 50 centimeter. So B is the right answer. Coming to the next question. Which of the following is equivalent to 1.01? So first we convert it into fraction. 1.01, that is 1 by 100. After that we convert it into percentage, that is 101%. So A is the right answer. Coming to the next question. Question number 5. In an examination, Karan get 10 marks more than Bhavna. Isha got 5 marks less than Bhavna. If trio get a total of 170, then what is the marks obtained by Isha? Karan that's K. Bhavna B. Isha I. Karan gets 10 marks more than Bhavna. So if Bhavna get B, then Karan get B plus 10. Isha got 5 marks less than Bhavna. So Isha get B minus 5. We add both three, we get B plus 10 plus B plus B minus 5 equal to 170. So 3B plus 5 equal to 170. 3B equal to 170 minus 5, that is 165, or B equal to 165 by 3, that is 55. So Bhavna got 55 marks. So Isha got 5 marks less than Bhavna. So Isha got 55 minus 5, that is 50 marks. So C is the right answer. Coming to the next question. In a musical concert, 50% of the total is reserved for first class. If all the tickets were sold except 171 tickets of first class, then find the total number of tickets. 15% ticket reserved for first class ticket did not sold, so we calculate that 15% is 171. Question number 6. 15% equal to 171. 1%, that is 171 by 15, that is 100%, that is 171 by 15 into 100. 3 5 0. So if we multiply it with 0, $1140 or 1140. So C is the right answer. Coming to the next questions. Question number 7. A shopkeeper charges ₹10 for every bottle of Coke or ₹240 for every carret of 30 bottles. If Bandana wants to buy 185 bottles of Coke, what amount she will have to pay? So Bandana have to buy 185 bottles. So first we divide 185 by 30. Question number 7. 185 divided by 36. 5. So Bandana have to buy 6 carrot and 5 bottles. So cost of 6 carrot is 240 into 6, that is 0. Cost of 5 bottle is 10 into 5, that is 50. So total 1490 rupees. So B is the right answer. Coming to the next question. 8. Question number 8. 5-digit greatest odd number to be formed with the help of 3, 5, 7, 9. We have to form greatest number. So we have to write greatest number first, that is 9. Question number 8, 9, 7, 5, and if we write 3 here and 0 after, it's become even number, so we have to put 0 first, after that 3. So it is the 5-digit greatest odd number formed by help of this number. So C is the correct answer. Coming to the next question, question number 9. Five digit smallest number which is completely divisible by 75 is. First we write 5 digit smallest number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. After that we divide it by 75. 75, 0, 3, 2, 25, that is 25, 0, 3. We got 25 remainder, so 25 remainder, so we have to add 25 with this number, so we get the desired number. 2, 3, 4, 25, so 2, 5, so 10,025. So A is the right answer. Coming to the next questions. A class visited a park and there they saw some animal and birds. They plot a graph by placing the number of animal and birds. Sum of number of deer and monkey is more than the number of peacock. Sum of monkey, here monkey number is 25 and deer number is 40. So sum of monkey and deer, that is 25 plus 40, that is 65, and number of peacock is 50. So if we subtract that, we got 15. So 15 is the right answer. So B is the right answer. Thank you for watching.